Let's solve this together. It says 5 raised to the power 2x plus 3 is equal to 500. We have to solve for the value or values of x in this question, okay? Now, first things first, we can say, let's re-express this. So we have 5 raised to the power 2x plus 3 is equal to 5 raised to the power 2x multiplied by 5 raised to the power 3 is equal to 500 on the other hand can be re-expressed as 5 times 5 times 5 times 4. Okay, so this is 125 times 4, which is 250, which is 500. Okay, so from where what we have is 5 raised to the power 2x multiplied by 5 raised to the power 3 is equal to 5 times 5 times 5 is 5 to the power of 3 times 4. Okay, 5 to the power of 3 strikes us on both sides. So we're left with 5 raised to the power 2x to be equal to 4. Let's now take the logarithm of both sides. So we say logarithm of 5 raised to the power 2x is equal to logarithm of 4. Now the logarithm we're taking is the logarithm in the base of 5. Okay, so we're taking the logarithm in the base of 5 for both sides. From here we have 2x multiplied by the logarithm of 5 to base 5. Okay, this follows from laws of logarithm. Now when you have a log of a number raised to the power, you multiply the log by that power. So we now have that this is equal to logarithm of 4 to base 5. Moving on from here, we can now say that this is equal to 2x multiplied by logarithm of 5 to base 5 to be equal to, now logarithm of 4 to base 5 can be expressed as logarithm of 2 squared to base 5. Okay, now logarithm of a number to its own base is 1. So we have 1 times 2x is 2x to equal to, when you have this, multiply the number and the log together. Okay, so we have this. Hence we have that our x is now equal to 2 divided 2 is 1. So we have logarithm of 2 to base 5. It's our final answer for x in this question. Thanks for watching. If you made it to the end, please like, comment, subscribe. I'll see you guys in my next video.